Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to IKEA with my friend. So this is my first time going to IKEA and I have a lot of things to buy. So let's see. Have you made a list of what you're buying?
Yeah, so I own a lot of board games and I want to buy like a board game shelf to store all my board games. So yeah.
But I feel after going to IKEA, like you'll start buying everything after
Everything.
thing.
True,
Yeah,
true,
yeah.
yeah.
Let's go. See you there. We are here.
Yay.
Are you excited to spend all your money?
Yes, I am. I'm excited to take money from you and spend it all.
This feels like a different world. Like a Chinese tea corner. What do you say?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's more for Chinese high tea.
I think it's meant for Chinese people.
I think it's meant for Japanese. It's so not Chinese, it's Japanese.
I think this is in Bangalore. So
I think it's a bit of a Bangkok style.
you can spot an IFA award there. Is this?
by Netra for acting in
Yeah.
I need this whole thing.
You can't touch it. Why can't? What do you want to have and make you something?
I want a pancake.
Okay. Will do.
Such amazing.
Dosa. This is dosa.
Flip it again. Oh my god, it fell down. Ah.
Sweet.
Yes.
And here's the
Oh,
pancake.
Thank you. So what flavor is this? Is this Cosmic Plant Protein
Yeah,
pancake?
yeah. Strawberry flavor, plant
Strawberry.
protein.
Okay, amazing. It's you've undercooked it. Do you
No,
even know
I
how to
think
cook?
it's al dente.
Oh, al dente pancake.
Yeah,
That's amazing. Good to know. Can I also have some soda with it on the side?
it's right on top of. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, it fell down.
There's also a towel. You can pick it and clean it up.
I'm done. I think you have not
Can you please
done a great.
clean it up? This is
The
the
hall
hall of mirrors.
Please say hi, everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Just freaky. Shit.
Nagin, Nagin, Nagin. Oh no!
What are you taking?
We'll see.
Smile. First you should eat the chapati.
Very yummy. Yeah.
How are the potato wedges?
Too good. This is the best.
Do you like fries or potato wedges?
Potato wedges. At any time. But these are too good. Sweet potato chips.
Sweet potato chips, yeah. Stop.
So I'm gonna try all of the drinks here and rate which one is the best. And this is raspberry, and I would give a 7 out of 10. Now it's lingonberry. This is much better.
Oh, is it?
This has some sweetish tone, but which that didn't have. That felt like sugar free or something. I'll give this. It feels like Appy. Appy, yeah.
Appy is great.
Very
Appy is a 10 on
similar,
10. But how
yeah.
much is this?
10 on 10. 10 on 10.
Okay, second one only 10 on 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really good.
Okay. Lingonberry mean apple.
Why? Maybe it just has the same Appy.
Or maybe either lingonberry means apple or appy used to be made out of lingonberries.
Some conspiracy.
Yes.
is there. Now it's elderflower.
Elderflower is gonna be the best, I think.
Why is it called elderflower? Like, does it have a sibling called younger flower?
Younger flower, yes. Tangi.
This is like Sprite.
Oh, I
think
didn't like
they've just
it.
named fancy names and they've just kept Sprite, Happy, and
Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
No, that makes sense. Actually.
this is exactly Sprite.
Okay. And how much would you give Sprite then? 8?
7.
7.
7.
So raspberry got a 7. Sprite got a 7. I mean, elderflower got a 7. And lingonberry.
No, I
got
think 10 was too much.
Yes.
Yeah. So 8, I think. 8.
Yes, I was waiting for that.
Now it's lemon. Yeah, that's enough.
Nimbe hand panka.
ಹೌದು
Okay.
ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ. This again is 7-Up Sprite. It's same. It's same.
It
is.
but it doesn't taste like lemon.
No, not at all.
So we're giving it 7.
7.
Is anything gonna beat this? It all
Anything
feels
gonna
like
live
a
up to the
scam.
name?
Yeah, exactly. What are we?
It's pear.
Okay, this looks good.
Okay, but what
It
does it
actually
taste
this,
again like?
This looks like appy, to be honest.
Yeah. What if it actually tastes like
appy
appy?
again? Yeah. Better.
Not exactly appy. It has like some
Pear.
different taste. I don't
Not
know.
pear?
Not pear.
So basically, nothing's living up to the name. These are all fake names.
It is some random flavor. Maybe pear. That's why. Pear. Because it's random.
Just that it's not like that.
Some artificial flavor.
Yeah, of course. What did you expect?
All are.
So how much?
5.
Oh, it's the lowest.
Not
We
very
have
well.
one left.
The last one.
What is it?
Yes. Okay, it is sugar-free cola.
What is it?
Sugar-free cola. Huh? What am I getting? What is the sugar-free cola?
Is that like water? Can you taste it?
It's sparkling water.
Okay.
Bro, wow, bro.
Click it again.
What?
Yeah. And sparkling. I don't know. How much do you rate water, bro? Is it better than the rest?
Yeah, no. Water
No.
is just water.
So 3 on 10?
yeah, we rate
So the
3 on 10.
winner is Lingonberry.
We never got to try cola, but
Yeah.
cola would win, I feel. This is all we got. This is so pretty. Yeah.
So we're finally done, but did you find what you were looking for? Curtains?
I actually came here looking for a few things and I got none of it. And now I
Same,
got some
yeah.
random stuff. We have taken some planters and
Yeah.
pots and yeah.
Things we never planned on taking,
Yeah,
and
we
we've
bought
literally
that.
copied each other.
Yeah,
so
we bought the same stuff.
Yeah.
So it's...
Sister.
I'll just show you what all I got. The first thing is this vase. It's really cute and I really like the color yellow, so yeah. And then I got this planter, take plant, and this pot for this. It looks so cute. And one tray to organize few stuff and 2 towels. That's all. I actually went there for curtains and an organizer, but the organizer was out of stock, and the curtains I didn't really like anything which were there, so yeah, I didn't take any of them, and I got all the other stuff which weren't on the list. So yeah, that's all. Okay, so I forgot to show one more thing, that is this pillow covers. I got white pillowcases. That is all I got from IKEA. See you in my next vlog.